I'm sure you've heard the news. Cybersecurity is more crucial than ever. Ready to supercharge your threat hunting skills? Let's get started. Threat hunting is your frontline defense in the cybersecurity world. Implementing best practices can make all the difference. So let's break down the essentials. First up, continuous monitoring. Keep an eagle eye on your systems 24/7 to catch potential threats before they strike. Next, behavioral analysis. Dig deep into unusual activities. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but oh so satisfying when you do. Then, threat intelligence. Stay ahead of the game by leveraging up-to-date threat data. Knowledge is power, folks. Don't forget endpoint visibility. Keep tabs on every device connected to your network. If it's there, you need to know about it. Traffic analysis is crucial. Analyze network traffic to detect anomalies. The weird stuff often points to trouble. Sandboxing is your safe zone. Isolate and analyze potential threats without risking your main systems. Pattern recognition helps you identify malicious activity. Spot the patterns. Stop the threats. Regular drills keep you sharp. Practice makes perfect, and in cybersecurity, perfection is key. Incident response. Have a plan ready to respond swiftly to any threats you uncover. Speed is of the essence. Finally, documentation. Keep detailed records of your threat hunting escapades. It's all in the details. Remember, each best practice is a piece of the puzzle. Together, they form an unbreakable defense. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and you'll stay secure.